What is going up, guys? Welcome back to the best day trading and investing channel on YouTube. So before we get started, guys, we are only 2 subscribers away from 800. So if you're new to the channel, or if you always come to the channel, please subscribe. Join the community of traders and investors. That's pretty much what my channel is all about, and we occasionally do a vlog or two. But in today's episode, we are going to be talking about Tesla stock, what's going on, how it could possibly set up for a short squeeze, and how we can all pretty much make some money off this. Um, Also, if you guys have not shorted the stock for the past couple of days, you guys have definitely missed out. But it's all right. We'll talk about how you guys can make some more money off it. All right, so pretty much looking at this stock, we are on the 5-day, 15-minute chart here. So pretty much this whole chart here is the 15-day. Then each candlestick is 15 minutes. Now the reason why I have it is just so we can kind of see the overall trend of the stock here for the past week. So this stock had a high of $233.59 and a low of $193. So that's pretty much what would that be, a $40 per share difference. Now this stock pretty much just started selling off like crazy, and we're going to be talking about how it could possibly set up for a short squeeze here. But before we get started here talking about that, we're going to be doing a little overview of the stock here and pretty much what's going on with it. All right, so let's go to the yearly chart here to see. So as you guys can see on the yearly chart, we have a high of $387.46. It's pretty much a choppy stock. But ever since really January, we've had this huge sell-off. Now, it's pretty much started right here, and it's cruising all the way down. I can't really even draw the trend because it's breaking so low so fast here, guys. But that is no problem. So pretty much what has started happening, Tesla released some news, and a lot of people think that they are going to be the new GoPro stock, because looking at GoPro here, let's pull it up. GoPro has been one of those stocks that's pretty much just sold off like crazy here. Let's go back to the max chart here, guys. Time frame. All right, max available. Let's just do month, just so it loads up a little quicker here. So pretty much GoPro has just sold off like crazy. It had this high of almost $100, and it pretty much just sold off. Now it's pretty consistent around that $7.19 mark. Now, is Tesla going to do something like this? Because when we pull up the Tesla stock here, whoops. When we pull up the Tesla stock here, we have this huge push all the way up, very similar to GoPro, how it had that huge run up. Now we have some bad news. Now the good thing that Tesla has going for it is it's coming into some recent support. Now this is where I think we're going to get this short squeeze like I was talking about, just because, let's put that line in here, just because here it's tapped at 1, 2, 3. Now we're coming along to tap it on 4. Now I think we'll have some sort of maybe a micro bounce or some sort of bounce. The only thing that does not look very good is how it's slowly breaking below all these moving average lines. So if that's it, goes to this 180 mark, we'll have some resistance up at 219, but that is still a significant move, and we could all make some money off it here. Let's see percentage wise how much that will be. So that will be roughly 16%. Now I know we all could profit that much off this stock here, but over the past couple of weeks the stock has gone down roughly 39%, and realistically I think Tesla is going to be around for a while. I know a lot of people think that it's going to be the new GoPro stock, or they aren't making as much money and pretty much the stock is crap, but looking into the future, I think Tesla is going to be a front runner for electric vehicles, just because they're going to be more of the they're already well known for their incredibly luxury cars. Now they still have many cars they're going to release. They're going to release the 2020 Roadster very soon. People are already purchasing that car. They're releasing semi trucks. They're releasing prototypes of regular pickup trucks. So Tesla, realistically, I can see this stock bouncing and going back up to maybe not its highs, but hanging around that $300 mark. Now, I think it is getting into that oversold area, but that's just me. I think all of these people who are shorting this stock very soon are going to have their brokers buy back the shares, which is going to cause an increase in price. I think it's going to be soon. I'm not sure if it's going to be at this 180 mark, but I can guarantee you we'll have some sort of short squeeze coming up in the next couple of weeks here on the Tesla stock. So Tesla, if I was going to rate this for a buy right now, I would say let's wait for some confirmation for a bounce, and maybe get above a moving average line, but it's above the 200, which is strong, and it still is on an upward trend, like such. It did break through one of the trend lines. That's where we started getting a lot of shorts in. So a lot of people started shorting the stock around that 285 mark. And that's when it just sold off like crazy. But realistically, we'll have some sort of bounce here. But that's it though. It's a shorter video today talking about Tesla stock. If you're new to the channel, please drop a huge subscribe on it. Please give me to 800. We're so close, guys. But that is it though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the week. Take care.